Welcome to the Learning Zone with Miss Beachley, Miss Hall, and Miss Bates. Hello everyone. Today is Tuesday, May 5th, 2020. And today we are still doing arrays. And the objective is I can decompose arrays into rows and columns and relate to repeated addition. So remember the anchor charts I showed you. So this anchor chart shows you what rows and columns are. So columns go up and down, rows go side to side or across. And then you also have this one that gives you definition of an array, which is an arrangement of objects that show equal groups in rows and columns. And it also shows you the repeated addition sentence, which we'll be using today. So you can go to your classwork. It can be done a little differently. Let me zoom in. All right, so I have the type here for your name and your date, but down here I didn't put type in. So for this, I kind of wanted you to use the scribble tool, which we'll find up here at the bottom. So first we're going to read. Number 1 says complete each missing part describing each array. So this one says circle the rows, and remember rows go across. So we can use our scribble tool to circle our rows. Remember, you're going to have to click back up here to circle around. And so just keep circling all of your rows until you don't have any more. And now we can go down here where it says 5 rows of blank equal blank. So remember, rows go across. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then you see in each row we have 3. 1, 2, 3. So we're going to come back to our scribble tool where it's 5 rows of, and we're going to write the number 3. And then to find a total, all you have to do is count all of these bears. So you can count by 3. It should be 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Now I'm going to go back to my scribble tool. Need my 1. Oh, didn't do it. My 1. Oh, I didn't click it. That's why. One, off the line, and then a 5. So in order to make that 5, you actually have to hold it down and draw the whole thing. You can't let up off of it. All right, so now we have 5 rows of 3, which equals 15. And then down here, we need to write our repeated addition sentence. And if you count these spaces, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you know that these 5 blanks equals your number of rows. So that means that in each blank, you need to put how many were in each row, which was 3. So all you have to do is write your 3. And if you want, you can actually click on this and copy and paste it. So that way it can be easier, or you can go back and write them all out. And then we know that 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals 15. So 15 should be right here as well. So these two numbers should be the same. And that is how you do these. So remember, the first one says rows, and then the second one is your columns. So remember, that goes up and down. And then you fill in your blanks and your repeated addition sentence. So you do that for this first page. Your second page, let's go up to the top, says use the array of triangles to answer questions below. So this kind of goes back to what was on the first page. Blank rows of blank equals 12. Blank columns of blank equals 12. So remember, rows go across. So 3 rows. 3 rows of blank, and we have 4 in each row equals 12, and then you do your columns, and then remember to write your repeated addition sentence. And remember, count your spaces, because that tell you what to write in the blank. So 1, 2, 3, that means it is counting your rows, which means for the blanks you will have to put in how many are in each row. All right, so down here is a little different. It says add one more row. How many triangles are there now? So remember, you can go to your shapes and click on triangle, and you can add another row of triangles. So I'm actually going to copy and paste. And so now you have added your one more row of triangles, and then you have to count all of these up to get your total. And then it says add one more column to the new array you made. How many triangles are there? So now you have to go back to your shapes and pick the triangle and add the triangles over here to make a column. And then number 3, the only difference is instead of adding one row, you would remove one row. So if you wanted to do that, you could use your scribble tool and kind of just put a line through it, kind of cross it out. And then you'll only count the ones at the top of the one you crossed out. Don't count the one you crossed out. And then remove a column. So you can take a column off. Do it the same way with the scribble tool. So that is it. If you have any other questions, make sure you reach out to me, Miss Bates, or Miss Beachley. See you in class.